So before I submit this video, I'm actually creating the intro video to this video because I want to give you guys some context. I want to talk about exactly why online gurus are more interested in building their brand, putting out a lot of content, and don't care much about whether they leave you overwhelmed or not. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. If you're looking forward to it, give me a like, subscribe to the content, and make sure that you tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the content. So whenever I'm deciding on the next piece of content to create, I tend to go out there on YouTube, look at other people's content, look at what they're saying, and really get an idea of what's going on in the marketplace, and then create content. So I'll go to YouTube, I'll type in different affiliate marketing videos, different make money online videos, and then I'll look at what people are talking about, what the current events are on that topic, and then just kind of come up with my conclusion on what I want to talk about. So as I was searching around, this really came to my mind. I realized why so many people are so overwhelmed when it comes to starting an online business. And what they don't realize is a lot of these YouTubers are out there to build their brand. And they're going to do it by providing as much content and as much value as they can so they can grow their subscriber base and so they can grow their income. Well, what does that happen to you as a consumer? Well, because they're creating all of this content based around so many different topics and so many ideas and concepts and business opportunities, you leave overwhelmed and you don't know where to even start. And it's funny because you'll start something, you'll take a YouTube video, you'll go and implement what's taught in that video. You might get a little result, and then you're back to square one. You're starting over. So what do you do now? You go to another YouTube video, and the same cycle repeats itself. You learn something new, you implement it, you get some results, you don't get some results, and then it's continuing to go out there yet again and find the secret. You see, you have to stop doing what the marketers are teaching and actually do what they're really doing. Because what most marketers are doing that are successful and influencers online is they're building a brand. They are the ones providing the content. But there's also a way that you can provide content without trying to be a jack of all trades. And I see this so often, people doing challenges, people showing you how to build on Instagram one day and then how to, make money from YouTube the next day without really telling you to pick one and stick to it for the long term, stick to it for the long haul, or else it would kind of devalue all of their content and they would probably post a lot less content. As a mentor, as a coach, if I'm jumping on video after video, trying to teach you guys a bunch of different things, you're going to go ahead and implement a bunch of different things and you're never going to move the needle. But if I focused, for example, on YouTube, teaching you how to build a YouTube following, going deep with helping you build a following on YouTube and getting started with the affiliate marketing business model, and leveraging YouTube to build the audience so you can then monetize and make money from marketplaces like ClickBank and other affiliate programs online, then we're both on the same page. And that's my number one goal here. So as I was going across the internet and I was looking for different ideas and different topics to talk about, I'm going through all these videos and I'm like, some of these videos have amazing production value. They have a lot of value. Like, I would probably even go as far as to say, in terms of value and content, 10x of what I have on my channel. But then at the same time, it's almost like too much content. It's almost like a fire hose of information every single week. People are wondering, okay, what do I start? What do I do? And a lot of these influencers, what they're doing is they're just going out there and they're rehashing the same content. They're not even practicing what it is that they're preaching. Like, they're telling you how to, do retail arbitrage on eBay, but they just watched another video that showed them how to do it. And they're just reteaching you without actually putting that idea and that concept into practice. You see what I'm saying? And they're all doing it at the expense of building their influence and building their brand. Okay, so again, you have to do what they're doing instead of do what they're telling you to do. Now, in this rare case, I'm actually telling you to do exactly what it is that I do and what it is that I'm saying. So that's all congruent. And I believe you'll notice that throughout all of my videos. So if you want to eliminate overwhelm, if you want to finally make money online, the tip here and the tip that I will continue to give you is to stick to one business model, stick to one strategy of building that business model, aka branding. It might be YouTube, it might be Instagram, it might be Facebook. Stick to that long term, and then you can begin to branch out to these other traffic strategies. You can start to do paid traffic, you can start to do Instagram, you can start to do Facebook. But build a brand in one single niche. Use affiliate marketing. Don't jump around in multiple niches. Don't jump around in multiple make money online opportunities. You see, I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past, 6.5, almost 7 years full-time online, almost to the day actually. And if I hadn't been doing that for the past, almost 7 years, I wouldn't be having the success that I'm having today, because it creates a compound effect. When people see that you're doing the same thing in year 7 that you were doing in year 1, they're going to see you as an expert, and they're going to want to work with you versus everybody else out there. And your name just becomes known as the guy or the girl in whatever, place your niche here, whatever that niche is. So I hope this message was of value to you. Think long term, put in the work, keep things simple, and you're going to see a lot of success. If you got value from this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel, because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. If you want freedom, it's all about sticking to the basics. And also tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. If you want all of my, or some of my, if you go through all of my videos, obviously I've got over 500 videos, but if you want some of my top resources to making money online with affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave them in the description below. Hope you got value. Josh Hiller signing off. We'll see you in the next video.